welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, I am back with another video, but in today's video we are going to be installing this half twist Afro wig. Yeah, I've installed this wig 2 times in the past, and funny how I have other wigs that are also Afro but they're like real human hair. This one is actually synthetic, and for the 2 times I've actually installed this wig, I really loved how it looked on me. Plus it takes minimal effort for you to be able to install this, and it comes out looking really good. It also gives you that big Afro look that you want. Every time I post a video of this on my Instagram, Facebook or TikTok, someone is like, oh, show us how you achieve the curls and all that, and I'm like, no, that is not my hair, that is a wig. And they're always so disappointed. But yeah, that is how realistic the wig is. When you wear it, it looks like it's your real hair. Without further ado, let's get into this installation. So yesterday night I did twist out at the front. Remember I said it's a half wig, it's a twist out half wig. So if you really want it to look very like come out looking really good, you have to twist the front part of your hair. But the first time I installed it, I did not twist the front part of my hair, I just installed it like that. But then when I was doing it for the second time, I said let me twist out the front of my hair and see how it's going to come out. So either way it comes out looking really good, but if you do the twist out, it's going to come out looking even better. So here are a few things you need to know about this synthetic wig. 1 is synthetic, and 2 is that it does not require combing. It's a synthetic wig. Once you comb it, you are going to ruin all those curls that are already made. And another thing is that if you want to detangle it, it's better to use your hands and work your hands through, but you can use water and leave-in conditioner when it comes to getting rid of tangles and all that. So that is all you need to know about this wig. And if you're about to ask me where I bought it, it was actually a gifted collaboration from a brand on Instagram. So I'm actually not going to put the link in the description till I see a comment from anyone asking. That is when I'm going to put the link. Okay, so if you like this wig, comment below and ask me for the link, and I'm going to put it in the description. Okay, also, do you guys think I should film a makeup tutorial? I've been doing a lot of makeup lately, especially for my YouTube. You guys know I never come up here with my bare face. If I do, I'm doing maybe a wash day and I cannot afford to have makeup on my face. But yeah, do you guys think I should film a makeup tutorial for you? Let me know. The thing about makeup is that the more you do it, the better you get at it. My brows have even been looking better and better, because for me, brows are really funny. There are days I do it very nice, and then there are days it come out looking like, I don't know, like... But yeah, my brows have been looking really good lately. Do let me know if you want a makeup tutorial, and I'll be happy to do that, because that is one of the contents that we post on this channel. So first, I'm going to unravel all this twist at the front of my hair. In fact, I think I'm going to install the wig before I even unravel this twist. So let's go ahead and do the installation. Like every other half wig, it comes with these clip-ins. You can see it comes with the clip-ins at the front and at the back. Yeah, just like that. I also braided my hair at the back. Like it looks hideous, so that's why I cannot show you guys. Has clip-ins, and it also comes with this elastic where you can pull so that it fits your hair properly. This is what it looks like. See? And this is the wig. Funny how it's synthetic, but I'm not gonna lie to you, this is one of the favorite wigs I own, because I love that natural look it gives. I love how beautiful and full it looks, and I also like that it takes minimal effort to be able to install this particular wig. So yeah, this is what it looks like. You can see all the curls at the tip. This is what people are always asking me every time I post a picture, how I'm able to achieve this, but they don't know that it's a wig. I'm going to loosen this elastic a little bit because I need it to be able to fit the back of my head. So I'm going to expand it, and then we are going to cover it just like this. First, I'm going to place, give me a second. Yeah, I'm going to place the clip-ins into my hair. See, put it like this. I'm going to do the same to this side. See, put it in just like that, and the same thing to this side. See, put it in just like that. Yeah, so we have secured the front. You can clearly see it. We have secured the front, and it's left for us to do the back. So there's also a clip in at the back, and I'm just going to hook it in and then draw the band so that it fits perfectly. If I drown, would you pull me back to you? If I drown, The last time I posted a video of this wig on TikTok, someone asked me to try it with a headband. I realized I didn't do it that time. So when I was done filming this YouTube video, I decided that let me try it on, and it came out so beautiful. So you can actually rock this wig with a headband or without it. And I also forgot to tell you guys that this wig is 16 inches. Thank you for staying to the end of my video. On this channel, we do everything surrounding natural hair, lifestyle, and makeup content. And if that sounds like what interests you, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you are notified whenever I put out a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.